This is the first time we've actually done a live other than when we've done some parades. I don't know how it turned out. Again, I don't know how to get rid of this. I will have to do some reading in the settings. This is the chat. I don't know why it's here. It's supposed to be over here. Who knows? And then the screen is supposed to be wider too, and it's not. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining us. If you liked what you saw today, if you enjoyed being with us today, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 500 so we can open the first layer of monetization. And that'll be so much fun. And like helps too, because the likes and the subscriptions always are fantastic. So please give us a hand. And if you like anything you see, you're like, oh, Ray, I want to go. Let me know. Let me know you want to go. I'm a licensed travel agent. I'm new. It'll be a year I've been at this now. I have a group wedding I'm already doing the work for 2027. I just did a whole bunch of work on a 40th birthday bash. Happy birthday! And there's much more to come. I am actually going to be going and touring the Royal Caribbean. One of the Royal Caribbean ships down in the Miami port. I'm gonna take the Bright Line, so that'll be fun. I will film all of that, and they said I could film on the ship, so I'll film what they'll allow me. Of course, you know I don't film people without asking. So that'll be fun. You guys can see that. We're gonna eat lunch there. It'll just be me because the boys and the hubby can't go. He hasn't finished his registration under Ray's Rolling Magical Escapes Rolling for accessible travel. I'm working on getting my certification in accessible travel. I'm creating a list. I have a book and I'm creating a list for accessible travel. There are rooms, hotels, houses that are fully accessible. I am slowly learning where these are all at. I have also getting the transportation part of it all set up so I can talk. I have some interview emails out. I'm trying to get some of the insurance people to talk to me via email. There's a lady that I don't know her name. I've got to find her again. If you get here and you're missing things, you don't want to pay for like DoorDash and all that to come deliver your stuff, she will do it. I got to find her again. There's a pediatrician that will come to the room 24/7. I got her. What did I do with her email? Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm trying to interview her as well. So that way, you know, if your kids get sick and you don't want to go to hospital, especially if they're autistic and everything, and they do better in their room with you, they can come to you. I'll have to get that information out as well so you can see it. So I hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. I haven't been on Smuggler's Run in a while. I have never ridden it by myself, so that was a lot of fun too. I was excited. I'm excited. So thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. Bye. That's right. He's telling you guys bye. Say bye. Bye. See you later. It's gonna be so much fun when they get taller. I don't know about this one just yet. We've still got some stuff to figure out. Therapy, trying to get speech therapy. Whoa, that's a lot. But anyway, well, that's a whole nother discussion. I have to record my podcast. It's another Disney news and reviews. All the things on Disneyland and Disney World, all the discounts that are going on right now. I am getting ready to record that this weekend because it has to go out. And I haven't posted on the podcast in a month because we've got a lot of appointments to do and everything. So it's been busy and we have other stuff to discuss. So right now, Again, thank you for joining us. Please subscribe. And if you like what you see, join us again and we'll do it again. So with that, have the day you deserve. Bye.